How to create a princess dart. Welcome back again. Today we're going to be creating a princess dart, and we're going to be starting with our measurement: length, shoulder, bust, waist, nipple to nipple, chest line, shoulder to nipple, and shoulder to under bust. And these are the rulers we'll be using. So we're going to be starting with our starting line. I'm coming down with 1 inch. After coming down, we draw a line across it. And then after that, we'll be getting our chest line, which is our round bust divided by 6 plus 1.5. That's 9. And then I'll mark my shoulder to nipple point 11, shoulder to under bust 14, and the length is 17. And then I'll roll a line across it. After doing that, I'm getting my shoulder measurement. The shoulder is 15 divided by 2, that's 7.5, and then that's what I'm marking. Please, if you do not understand what I'm saying, just follow what I'm doing. And then after that, we'll mark our neck measurement. I'm using 3 by 3, but if you're on the plus size, you can use 3.5 by 3.5. After that, I'm coming down with 1 for my shoulder slope. Remember, your shoulder is not straight, it's slopey, so I'm coming down with 1 inch. And after doing that, I'm marking my bust dart. Use your nipple to nipple. My nipple to nipple is 8 divided by 2, that's 4. So that's what I'm marking on my bust point, my shoulder, my under bust, and the length. And then I'm drawing a line across it. I'm coming in by 1 inch and I'm going out by 1.5 inch. Please, this is for a bust 38. A bigger bust is a different size and a smaller bust is a different size. Then after doing that, I'm going to get my curve. Please, this determines how well your bust is going to sit, so you have to draw your curve well. After that, I'm coming down with 3.5 inch on my armhole line, and then I'm going to get a curve to my nipple points. This is very easy, just follow it. I'm coming down with 1.5 inch and then I'm curving it to my nipple points again. It depends on the bust again. Sometimes you can come down with 2 or 2.5 inch. It depends on your bust. And after that, I'm going to be measuring the line because one line will be longer than one. So after measuring it, I'm extending it by 1 inch. And I'm drawing a line to that 1 inch. After doing that, I'm going to be getting my body measurement. Bust is 38 divided by 4, that's 9.5. Plus the dart inch, that's half. And then waist is 7.5 plus 2.5 that I took for the dart. I'm going to be adding it back, and then I'm going to draw in a line. A straight line from the chest line to the length. I'm going to be getting my armhole curve now. Like I said, this is the easy method to get your princess darts. And then I'm labeling it chest, nipple to nipple point, under bust, and the full length. Please, if you have any other question, you can ask me. So I'm going to be cutting it out. The part I'm striking out is where I'm going to be cutting out for the princess dart. Like I said, if you have any question at all, please drop it on the comment section and I would answer. So I'm going to be cutting it out. Follow as I'm cutting it out, because if you do not you cut it wrongly, you're going to spoil your fabric. So that's why I'm cutting it on the paper first. And it is a class for beginners, so you can get it easy. So this is our front. Chest line, nipple point, under bust, and our full length. So now we're done with our front, and then we'll draft our back. So we'll start with our starting line. We'll come down with 1 inch. Basically, you can use a normal back drafting, but I want to show you how to draft a princess dart at the back too. So after drafting that, I'm coming down, I'm getting my chest line, which is 9, and then my length 17. drawing a line across it. After that, I'm coming in by 2. That's my zip allowance. After drawing my zip allowance, I'll be taking my shoulder measurement. That's 7.5. 15 is the shoulder measurement divided by 2. That's 7.5. I'll be drawing a line down. After that, I'm getting my neck measurement, which is 3 by 1 inch. It depends on the neck type of neck you'll be cutting. So I'm doing the basic measurement for the neck. But if you're on a plus size, it's different. After doing that, I'm extending the line to the zip allowance. After doing that, I'm coming down with 1 inch to get my shoulder slope. After getting my shoulder slope, I'll be getting the midpoint. Then I'll be marking my nipple to nipple point to get my darts. Coming down with 1 inch. Please, if you don't understand what I'm saying, please follow what I'm doing. Then I'm marking a straight line. After doing that, I'm coming in by 1/2 inch and going out by 1/2 inch to get my darts for my back. After doing that, remember that a midpoint, I'm going to be drawing a line towards the midpoint to get my princess darts. So we're getting our body measurement, chest line 9.5, then waist 7.5 plus the 1 inch dart allowance, and then you're ruling a line. After doing that, after drawing my armhole line, I extended the line because sometimes your after sewing one might be shorter than one, so I just extended the line so that to avoid such disaster after sewing. So after doing that, I'm coming in with 1 inch for my zip allowance to avoid that bulging from the back, and then I'm ruling a line. After ruling the line, this is the back. Very simple, easy way to cut your princess dart for the back, and then we're cutting it out. Please just follow as I'm cutting it out so you'll not make a mistake. And this is our back. So I'm labeling it back, and that is our front. Thank you so much for attending my class today. If you have any questions, anything, just ask. I'll see you in my next class. Thank you.